Hershey, the maker of candies such as Reese's Peanut Butter Cups and Twizzlers, as well as Hershey's chocolate bars, reported earnings earlier today below analyst estimates. Shares of the chocolate maker are down more than 3.5% on the news, and will also be cutting 300 jobs, and its 2015 profits will be lower than previously estimated. A reason for this tempered forecast: China. Hershey's chocolate sales growth in China trailed its expectations in April and May, was hurt by increased competition in the chocolate category by competitors such as Godiva. Bloomberg's own Betty Lou, my co-host, is here now. So what do you think about this?
It's interesting that, Hershey has gone big into China, right? In fact, it is the second largest, if not by the end of this year, will be by the end of this year, if not now, the second largest market for Hershey's. Now, chocolate, like coffee, like cappuccinos, like burgers or whatnot, is this sort of, new kind of Western food that the Chinese are growing to love. Right? So why is Hershey's not doing well? Well, some say because the brand itself may not be premium enough. Like Godiva is opening 88 stores in China, in Taiwan, in South Korea, and Japan, because it's a luxury product. And you know that Asians, and in particular the Chinese, are really, if they're going to spend their dollars, they're going to spend their dollars on luxury products. So might it be that Hershey's is not hitting that premium market, or if there's only a limited amount that the Chinese are spending because they are going through a slowdown, they're going to spend it more on the luxury goods and maybe not so much on the Twizzlers and the Reese's Pieces and the Hershey's Kisses.
Now, I understand that Hershey has also made some acquisitions in China. They bought a company called Shanghai Golden Monkey. That's a candy maker that caters to local taste. Could it also be because the dollar has gotten stronger, and as a result, whatever business you do overseas is going to look worse in an environment when you translate it back into U.S. dollars?
Of course, but you can't use that to blame why your sales were cut in half in the first quarter, right? So that can only explain part of the picture. They did buy this company. Pim, you emailed me earlier. Do you know this company? And I don't know it, but I know the candy because I grew up eating some of this candy, the Golden Monkey candy bars and snacks.
Right.
The Chinese actually like to eat a lot of nuts and fruit and dried fruit, so they have some of those products as well. So they bought 80% of this company late last year, and they're hoping to use that to distribute its products. Exactly. And it's by all measures, it's a smart move. It's a popular candy company. But again, how does Hershey get to $500 million in sales? What do they need to do to gain more traction? And that's what, that's a problem that's beyond my pay grade. That is why they pay the guys at Hershey's to figure that out. But no doubt, it is a huge market for this chocolate company.
Yeah, well, it's estimated that China will be the biggest candy market in the world in about 2 years.
I believe the chocolate market is going to grow by 60% in 2 years.